Appreciate it, Carol. You have our cups out?
I don't know what that means.
Red onion jam. Okay.
This is Farm Cycles 2022. Kim's getting her tickets. Oh, look at that. Look at that.
Oh, an ID. Yes.
The man himself, Mr. Iowa City right here. If you guys don't know Mr. Iowa City, you're missing out. You ready to ride?
Oh, this will be so easy compared to Core 4.
That's right.
It's a nice relaxing jaunt.
And there was actually built-in food stops instead of the
better food too.
yeah, that's right. Instead of that sugary stuff all the time.
Yeah, fruits, veggies.
Amazing. Awesome. There's Matt, Mr. Iowa City himself, guys. So there's Brian. I'm seeing everybody I haven't seen in a while. Egan, how's it going? So we'll zoom into this guy's face. You ready to ride?
Heck yeah, I'm ready to ride.
Where's freaking Carol? Is she riding?
She's not texted me back yet.
Oh,
I don't know where she's at.
Carol. Probably didn't drink her coffee.
Vlogging this
Yeah.
experience, nice.
Yeah, it should be. I met one last year too. It's up on YouTube.
Oh, nice.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
didn't know that.
What's your name?
Annette.
Annette, nice to meet you. Yeah, so I'll be making one of these for this one as well.
That's awesome.
Yeah, just to show people that Iowa City has a lot going on.
Yeah.
You know.
Well, awesome.
Yeah.
I'll be looking out for it.
Awesome, thank you.
Yeah.
Z?
What up, man?
Today's not a race, so you gotta take it easy on me.
Look at me.
Yeah, that's true.
I got casual.
You got the casual. There's speed demon. Yvonne was a monster yesterday, man.
What you were saying, she was attacking.
Yeah, she on the pit stop. She dropped me right there. I was like, what? There's Amy. Let's zoom in.
Check out the logo area.
Yeah.
Show Uri your logo.
Whoa, that's nice. That's the Bike Library director there, Audrey.
If you're in line, just get ready to slide your shirt on from the bottom up. Aria!
Hey, we appreciate all the hard work.
Thank you. It's a
pro.
lot of volunteers.
How many shirts do you think you're going to do today?
300.
Holy cow. That's a lot. We're going to capture the process for you people. This is what you get when you show up.
All as low impact as we possibly can.
We're still in good time.
Well-oiled machine. Just like
All
that.
right, here you go.
Thank you.
From the bottom. This is it. You do.
That's
There you go. Clean it up outside.
Yvonne. Hello. Are you riding today?
I am.
Okay.
First timer.
Where'd you get the food?
Yeah. They're making espresso drink there.
Is it pretty delicious?
It's iced
good.
espresso with oat milk, and then there's some kind of biscuit and pistachio and something, and a sugar.
Looks good.
Yeah.
That's the man himself. Really, how are you, man?
You reporting to the health inspector after this?
I'm gonna be saying to the health inspector, I'm like, not bad, how are you?
Good.
Like, well, these guys up to code, not bad, how are you?
Absolutely.
It looks fantastic.
Yeah, man. So where are we at now, Kim? We got some salsa roja that has a pretty good amount of spice to it right there. And,
Okay, so we'll skip that.
Thank you.
Thank you. We got the grub. Looks good. We're gonna go consume that, and then we'll start riding. There's my favorite New Zealander right there, Carol. We have a few miles to get to our second stop of the day. It is shredding down the freaking side of the road like
Probably just gonna hang
getting
out
some
today, but
watermelon, strawberry
I'm not
hydration.
full time right now.
It's fantastic.
I just
Pretty delicious. Really watermelony and something else. It's good. Farm number 2. We're gonna go check it out. Go eat some food. Beautiful gardens.
In my mind, this is what my garden will look like next year. You think it's...
I think you could do it.
Think so?
I think you could do it. What we got here? All right, so a little bit of printed word here. Intriguing. I don't think this is for sale. It's just some of the stuff they make. We're gonna go see what we need to eat. We're here for the food. So, can you tell I'm excited for the food? I think you can. Jake, show the people your fancy mace kit. Look at that. Pretty cool.
no bud. Perfect. See, that's fun. Heard.
Haley, that's a lot of food.
Yeah, it's incredible.
If you're not gonna eat it all, I'll take some of it.
Hey, sir.
Hey, I'll just take the meat without the bun, please.
You got it. There you go, a little extra bark.
Thank
for
you, I
too.
appreciate it.
You bet.
It smells so good.
Good.
We got everybody in the line there, getting ready to. We're gonna go check out what this other pretty cool looking, oh, they even have booze? I'm not sure. Beverages, they have beverages, so we're gonna see what they got for us.
Lemonade with vodka, Bloody Mary, or a Blue Hawaiian?
I do love lavender lemonade, please.
Lavender lemonade.
That's what I got. With a little vodka in there?
No.
No?
You got vodka in yours?
Yeah, I think yours has vodka in it too.
No.
No?
Mine's non-alcoholic.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. You're the more responsible one. 1.6 miles to the next farm stop. We're going to eat some grub. Man, I don't know, like the last stop, the grub was legit. I don't know if I can eat it anymore, but hey, I'm gonna bike out this last mile. Hopefully make a deficit in the calorie intake for the day.
So are those purple potatoes?
Yes, those are roasted purple potatoes.
Red onions?
This is a red onion jam.
Okay.
So it's a little sweet. We're gonna do romesco sauce.
I checked it this morning.
Fried tofu. Which will change your life.
Are those spicy?
No.
Oh, some of all of that.
They, I just dropped off.
So we just wrapped up Farm Cycles. Last stop was the bank. Now we're heading back where our cars were left. It was fun, man. It was fun. 2 beers and 25 miles. So not bad. Not a bad day. You can call it that. So yeah, fantastic weather. It was really good. Really good. So yeah, time to go home and take a chill pill. Farm Cycles 2021, man, it was a blast. We ended up doing a shorter ride. We kept as a group. We did 65 miles the day before. It was a race called Snaggy Ridge. So we didn't feel like we really needed to do the longer race today. We wanted everybody in our group to be able to enjoy the day. So we did the 20-mile Farm Cycle route, which is called the Cherry Tomato. They have Kale and Beet It Up. Kale, I believe, is 30-ish miles, and Beat It Up, I believe, is 40-ish miles. I could be wrong on those numbers. I'll post them on the screen here. But the Cherry Tomato ends up being a shorter route. I ended up with about 23 miles. Definitely, if you don't work up quite the appetite between the farms. So I would definitely say if you want to enjoy all the dishes they're making that day, probably go for the mid route. That way you have more distance between the stops, because by the time you hit this third farm, which is only like 1.5 miles, actually I'll take it back, maybe about 2 miles from the last, you kind of just had a big meal and then you're getting ready to have another like pretty decent sized meal. So I'd say for sure, if you want to enjoy all the dishes, definitely do the mid route and the longer route so that you have a pretty good appetite for for all the farm stops. I want to say it was incredibly amazing experience, so well organized. Audrey at the Bike Library, who organizes it, a bunch of volunteers that made it happen. She told me it was like somewhere 300 screen printed. You can bring a t-shirt, tablecloth, and they can put a nice design they have for every year. They have a different design every year, so you can go do that as well. And that's all volunteer work. So a fantastic job. Really happy for the folks that have get this done for us, to allow us to have such a fantastic, really fun ride for our neighborhood. Really fun. I would highly recommend, if you're on the fence, come and sign up for it. You won't be sorry. They had beers at the last 2 stops, so that's always something good to look forward to if you're a beer guy. And I think the last stop had non-alcoholic beverages. All the other farm stops had non-alcoholic beverages as well. So really well put together, something for everybody, vegetarians, meat eaters, I fall in both camps. So they had it all. So definitely highly recommend it. Audrey at the Bike Library and all the volunteers, thank you for putting this on for us, and we can't wait to do it again next year. We're so glad that we're able to get our whole Iowa Gravel Gang group together to ride and just have a fun day on the bikes. All right, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.